Hey guys, how's it going? So earlier today, I shared a short video about the new MTN 5G device, which is way smaller than the standard 5G device that you used to know. This one is smaller. It's probably the only thing that makes it special or different from the older 5G device. This is the model number of this new MTN 5G router, and we are going to be unboxing it together. Now, before we start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I make videos like this. And of course, you can ask me any questions in the comments in case I don't address your questions in this video. Now, this is the device. Like I said before, I've opened it earlier, but I am going to pretty much unbox. Let's just assume this is me unboxing it because everything that came with it from MTN's office is what's in the box at the moment. You have the power pack. You can use it to power the device when there is no light. So this is like a power bank in a sense. So there's this. There's also the charger. As you can see here, has the pin. If you have questions about the charger, feel free to ask me as well. If you have an old 5G charger in the house and this is what the port is like, you can also use it for your 5G, this new 5G device. And of course, the popular MTN yellow LAN cable is also here as well, came with the box. And of course, you have a bunch of manuals here about this new device, and just manuals and just some information here. Of course, it came with its own SIM because I bought it from MTN's office. Now, if you did not buy from MTN's office, you might not get a SIM card. When I bought this device, the only thing I needed or I went to MTN's office with is my NIN. So just my NIN slip. They just needed my NIN number. I was able to register the SIM and pay for the device. So this is the device itself. It looks like a power bank pretty much. You can see the LAN port here and charger port. If you open this is where you insert the SIM and pretty much access the rest of the features as well. And of course, you have the stylish design here. Over here you have just a bunch of things like the on light, Wi-Fi light, 4G, 5G, of course the full signal bar and everything here. I'm going to plug it and turn it on in a bit, don't worry. There is also a fan section here. You might not hear the fan when you're using it, but if you move it close to your ear, you might hear it. So you have the fan thing here, and then under you just have the information about the device, like your Wi-Fi key, the login, and all of that. So that's the box. That's what's in the box. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug it to the power pack because I already charged the power pack. I'll plug this and I'll turn it on here. So it's on. As you can see, the device is also coming on now. And that's it. Basically it's very compact. You can go to the airport or just go on a road trip with it like this. This is a 5G device, and of course, if you have a device that you can plug it to from time to time to charge it, that's fine, but you cannot charge it with USB. You have to charge it with this pointy charger as well. So that's the information I have concerning the 5G device. One of the questions that someone asked me on Facebook was if it's unlimited internet, but it's not. It comes with 100 gig. When you buy it with the SIM, it comes with 100 gig, but afterwards you can basically recharge any MTN plan on it, and it will work. So it's not any special device on its own. It's still MTN 5G, and you can buy any data plans and use it with it. Before you buy this device for your house, make sure that you check the coverage of your area. Go to coverage.mtn.ng. I'm going to leave the link on screen as well so you can see it, but make sure you check your area to see if 5G network is available in your area or not. As you can see, it's not just available in my area, but I have tested it. When I logged into the device with my information, I have turned off 4G, turned on 5G only, and 5G was working fine for me. So make sure that you have 5G in your area before you buy this device, and the only way you can check that is by going to MTN's website to check the coverage for your area. So that's it. Thank you for your time, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll see you around. Bye.